Elena Milovanovic is one of several tennis players stuck in Turkey following Monday's earthquake. Serbian tennis player Elena Milovanovic has shared the fear she and her rivals are fearing following the earthquake in Turkey during the Antalya tournament. The 22-year-old described being trapped, as she and her competitors have been unable to catch a flight home after the earthquake hit while they were asleep at the player hotel. Several athletes have found themselves at the center of the devastating earthquake that struck Turkey and Syria on Monday, including tennis players who were set to compete at the Antalya tournament, a W25 and J60 event on the International Tennis Federation circuit. Among those is Novak Djokovic Academy alumni Milovanovic, who has explained how scared she and her rivals are as they remain trapped and unable to go home. "We are all scared, all flights have been cancelled, we can't leave here," the world number 817 told Sputnik. She also explained that she attended tournaments alone, leaving her with no one but her fellow athletes. "Our parents worry," Milovanovic continued. "I am here alone, I travel alone to tournaments. We stick together, especially those of us from the Balkans." The Serbian player, who was competing in the qualifying event in Antalya, said players had not been given any information on flights home, with athletes from other sports also stuck at the hotel waiting for news. The 22-year-old added, "We don't have any information regarding return flights, we are waiting and the only title I want is to come home alive and well." And she shared her sympathy for her Turkish colleagues whose family members were affected by the earthquakes while recalling their own experience in the night. "It's terrible for all the participants, their families are in danger," she said. "Luckily, the strongest tremors were last night while we were sleeping, so we didn't feel them. The hotel is full of soccer and volleyball teams that are preparing, I can't imagine what their families are going through. I try to be grateful that I am alive and healthy, as much as possible in this situation. I am trying to accept that it is what it is. As sad as it is. Thank God that we are well and that we can hope for our homes and families. Just so that there are no more earthquakes." Another player, ATP doubles number 271 Titowan Droge, confirmed in an Instagram story that players were informed that the tournament had been cancelled after he spent more than 30 hours traveling to Antalya through a snowstorm. Having shared his journey to the tournament, the Frenchman who played junior doubles with Jack Draper later wrote, "Update, tournament cancelled due to earthquake." While being stranded in the country.